Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in top-selling products. I'm delighted to have you with us today. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of Serger and Overlock machine accessories, bringing you a curated countdown of the very best that Amazon has to offer. These accessories are essential for anyone looking to elevate their sewing game, providing precision, efficiency, and unmatched quality. We've sifted through countless options to present you with the top choices, ensuring you get the most value and performance for your money. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the finest accessories that will take your Serger and Overlock machine to the next level. Number 5 on our countdown features a practical gem for any sewing enthusiast, the LUXJA Serger machine cover with storage pockets. This cover isn't just about style, it's built with great quality fabric that's both water resistant and lined for extra protection. And yes, it's machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. Its design is a masterclass in functionality. Equipped with 4 side open pockets and a front zipper pocket, this cover provides ample space for storing manuals and sewing accessories, keeping everything you need within easy reach. The convenient top handle ensures effortless lifting, while its dimensions, 12.5 inches long, 11.5 inches wide, and 12 inches high, offer just the right size to keep your Serger machine dust-free. Compatible with most Brother & Singer Serger machines, the LUXJA cover is a versatile choice that combines protection with practical storage solutions. It's an essential accessory for anyone who values both functionality and finesse in their sewing setup. At number 4 in our countdown, we introduce a small yet mighty tool that's a game changer for every sewing enthusiast, the Dritz 918 Serger Tweezers. Measuring just 5 inches, these silver tweezers are an ideal companion for not only sewing, but also various crafts and hobby activities. Their narrow tips are designed to grasp objects with impeccable precision, making them perfect for reaching into those tight spots where larger tools simply can't go. What sets these tweezers apart? The subtle curve is engineered to simplify the often difficult task of threading your overlock machine, turning a once tedious chore into a seamless operation. Whether you're adjusting threads or handling tiny components, the Dritz 918 offers unmatched control and reliability. It's a versatile tool that proves that sometimes the smallest accessories can make the biggest difference. Number 3 on our countdown highlights a crucial upgrade for your sewing arsenal, the 4-pieces Serger Blade sewing machine blade set. This comprehensive set includes 4 precision-engineered blades designed to breathe new life into your overlocker. The package features a hook blade measuring approximately 3.8 by 1.3 centimeters and a diagonal blade at 4.1 by 0.8 centimeters. With both upper and lower blades included, you'll be equipped to achieve flawless, smooth cuts every time. Crafted from durable metal, these blades are built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Their robust design ensures not just longevity, but also impeccable cutting performance, thanks to the accurately angled edges that guarantee smooth sewing and precise fabric trimming. Compatibility is key, and this set excels in that department. It works seamlessly with models like Brother 925D, 929D, 935D, 1034D, and more, including several other Brother overlockers. The set is ideal for replacing upper knife XB05630001 and lower knife X77683001. Installation is a breeze, making these blades as user-friendly as they are efficient. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a sewing newbie, these Serger blades will elevate your sewing experience, ensuring every cut is clean and every project is a success. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling Serger and Overlock machine accessories on Amazon? If you're finding these must-have tools a stitch in time, don't forget to show up your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon, so you never miss a seamtastic update. At number 2 in our countdown is the epitome of convenience and protection, the LUXJA Serger Case with Detachable Trolley Dolly. This versatile case is constructed from heavy-duty nylon, providing robust protection for your Serger machine. While accessories aren't included, the case itself is a marvel of functionality. The main compartment features adjustable straps with buckles, ensuring your machine remains securely in place during transport. The removable bottom padding pad adds an extra layer of security, minimizing the risk of damage. But that's not all. This case is designed with your organization in mind. The front pocket is a veritable treasure trove, equipped with 2 translucent zip pockets and 4 mesh pockets, perfect for stashing scissors, power cords, and other essentials. Plus, the 2 side pockets offer additional storage for smaller items. Carrying options are as varied as they are practical. The case comes with sturdy handles, a detachable anti-slip shoulder strap, and a detachable trolley dolly, making it a breeze to transport. Just follow the installation guidance to attach the Serger machine case to the rolling part. With outer dimensions of 13.5 by 11 by 13 inches and inner dimensions of 13 by 10.5 by 13 inches, this case accommodates most standard sergers, including popular models from Brother and Singer. The LUXJA Serger Case isn't just a protective cover, it's a versatile, user-friendly solution for every sewing enthusiast on the go. Closing our countdown at number 1 is the Brother Serger Blade set, the ultimate upgrade for your Brother 1034D and other compatible models. Crafted from high-quality metal, these blades are built to endure. They deliver exceptional durability, ensuring that you get long-lasting performance with every cut. The set includes both the upper knife XB056-3001 and the lower knife X776-83001, precisely engineered to fit seamlessly into your machine. The hook blade measures 38 by 8 mm, while the diagonal blade is 41 by 8 mm, both designed with accurate angles to guarantee smooth professional results. These blades are not just replacements, they're enhancements that ensure your sewing and cutting are nothing short of perfect. Compatible with models like the PL1500, PL2000, 925D, 935D, 929D, 1034D, and 1134DW. This set provides versatility and precision for a range of Brother overlockers. If you're looking for reliability and exceptional performance, these Brother Serger blades are your go-to choice for superior sewing results. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling Serger and Overlock machine accessories on Amazon. To keep up with all the top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.